Welcome to our channel. Enrolling in Medicare Part A through Medicaid is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it simply and ensure you receive the healthcare coverage you need. Step 1. Determine your eligibility for both Medicare and Medicaid. Generally, you're eligible for Medicare Part A at age 65 or earlier if you have certain disabilities. Step 2. If you're already receiving Medicaid benefits, contact your local Medicaid office to inform them you want to enroll in Medicare Part A. They can help coordinate your coverage. Step 3. Visit the Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov or call 1-800-772-1213 to begin your Medicare Part A enrollment process. Step 4. Gather required documents including proof of age, citizenship, or legal residency, and information about your Medicaid coverage. You'll need your Social Security number and birth certificate. Step 5. Complete the Medicare enrollment application. You can do this online through your My Social Security account, by phone, or in person at a Social Security office. Step 6. Indicate on your application that you're currently enrolled in Medicaid. This information helps coordinate your benefits between both programs. Step 7. If you qualify for both Medicare and Medicaid, you'll become a dual eligible beneficiary. Medicare Part A will become your primary insurance, with Medicaid providing additional coverage. Step 8. Review your Medicare card when it arrives in the mail. It should show your Part A coverage start date and your Medicare number. Step 9. Contact your Medicaid office to update your information and ensure both programs are coordinating properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.